Well, hi everyone. It is Wednesday. It is November the 18th. We are so close to that well-deserved Thanksgiving break. We have school on Wednesday and Thursday. You have Friday off. I have to work. Oh well. But we were looking forward to that. Now I've added two more assignments into learning.com. I'll talk about those in a minute. But your number one priority is to make sure that your major grade assignment, the if then adventure story, the interactive story, is completed. That was due yesterday, Tuesday. But if you're not finished yet, please make sure you finish that first because major grades count 60%, and that's very important to your grade. Okay. Now, the two new assignments, you might have to scroll on the screen off to the edge because the pathway is getting a little bit longer. And we have two new assignments. We're starting spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are a type of software that people use to take care of, look after data. They can input numbers, and then they can use the spreadsheets to create graphs and charts which explain the data. And that's something that's becoming more and more important in the world of technology. So spreadsheets, two assignments. According to the program, they should take about 15 minutes each. If you want to do both of them today, that would be fine. If you want to do one today and one tomorrow, that's also fine. If you are not finished with your learning, with your if then adventure story project, finish that first, and you should have time to finish both of these tomorrow. Okay, so the due date is going to be tomorrow. We want to finish these before you go on break. And that leads me to this topic is that if you owe any work from the past, mainly it's learning.com. If you are not to the end of this path by Thursday, I really need for you to sit down and knock these out. Most of them are 15 minutes long. They're not that long. You could do four of them in 1 hour and get caught up. It's essential. I will go back and put the grades. In even the last 6 weeks, we've got to get everybody passing. Everybody passes this class, and then we should have some fun after the Thanksgiving break. A little bit more work, another project, and then we should have some fun time. I call it fun because we're exploring and we're looking into things that are interesting to us personally, and just have a little bit more of a relaxed time in this class as we come towards the Christmas break. And then January, you start up Spanish and you'll be done with my class. But anyway, real quick about keyboarding. Make sure your hands are resting on the keyboard and not floating up above and moving, because then you're only using these fingers. And here's something I noticed in the class. If you're don't pay attention to the words on top, but instead you focus on the little cartoon of the hands and play it like a video game and look at the hands. If they're using this finger, reach over with that finger. Whatever you see them doing, do the keyboarding like them, copy them. It will slow you down a lot, but that's okay. That's what you want. You want to train your muscle memory to know what it feels like to reach over and hit that letter with that finger. Okay. You don't have a lot of muscle memory for your weaker fingers. Okay. So rest your hands, focus on the cartoon of the hands moving, and play it like a video game instead of trying to read the words and type one word at a time. I can hear in the classroom what it sounds like. Tack, 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 tack. Tack, 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 tack tells me you're not practicing keyboarding right. I'd rather you go slow the right way. Okay, everybody, have a great day, and remember to be good.